Start. Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your biodata from Jazz Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Charmindo Wow Coino. I am 36 years old. I was born on August 18, 1987. I have three daughters. My eldest daughter is 17 years old. My second daughter is 16 years old. And my third daughter, my youngest, is 5 years old. I was live in Lipul Balut Island, Sarangani, Davao Occidental.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'3".
Your weight?
My weight is 64.
What is your religion?
Christian.
What about your educational background?
College level.
College level. Okay, so who will going to take care of your three children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother.
Are you single or married?
Married.
What is your husband occupation and how old is he?
My husband is 36 years old. And his work is fisherman.
Fisherman. Okay, this is your first time working abroad, correct?
No, mom.
No? Okay, so, okay. How many siblings do you have? How many brother and how many sister? And what is your rank in your family?
We have four siblings. I am the eldest daughter, and I have two brothers and two daughters, and two sisters.
Okay, so in your biodata, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2019 to 2023 for 4 years in the Philippines, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you describe what are your duties here?
I am taking old elder mom.
Okay, how old is the elderly that you take care?
70.
70. Is it female or male?
70. Male.
Male. Okay, did you do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing also while taking care of this elderly?
No, mom.
So you just focus on taking care of this elderly la.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you mentioned that you also, this is not your first time working abroad, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
In which country did you have your first working experience as an OFW?
Jordan, ma'am.
How many
Amman,
years
Jordan.
or how many months did you finish your contract?
I did not finish my contract, ma'am. I almost 1 month
1 month.
working in Jordan. Yes, ma'am.
What happened?
Because I got a maltreatment by my past employer,
What kind of maltreatment?
like physical injuries.
Your employer hit you, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
So what happened? Why you didn't like change employer? Why you decided to go back home? Or your employer sent you back in the Philippines?
Because uh, for the needs of my children's mom, I want to work in
No,
abroad
no.
again.
My question is, in Jordan, you worked there for 1 month, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what happened? Did your agency didn't give you a chance to work in other employer?
They give me another chance, ma'am. In Jordan, I have two employer.
Okay, so in your second employer, how many months you work? How many months you work in Jordan to your second employer?
One in 1 month, ma'am, I have two employers.
Okay, so means you have two employers for 1 month, 15 days, 15 days because they do maltreatment to you, physical injuries, correct? And
Yes, ma'am.
what happened? You just decided to go back home in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So why you wanted to come back here again in Malaysia? Later you will just do maltreatment also. Are you not scared anymore?
Um, no, ma'am, because I heard Malaysia is no abuses cases, and I heard Malaysian people have a kind heart. That's
Okay.
why I want to go back in Malaysia. I want to go in Malaysia. I mean,
Okay, so being a domestic helper, uh, Charmaine, you need to be flexible and you need to be multitasking. You need to be humble yourselves also and no need to answer back the employer, okay? As long they treat you well, they don't do maltreatment, it's okay. The food is enough, it's okay. But if they do maltreatment, you can tell us also in our agency and we will do action, okay?
okay,
So,
yes, ma'am.
you need to be multitasking. Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am. I take care of newborn babies.
So, can you take your elderly people because you already got experience there in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you cook?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn.
Willing to learn. Are you okay? Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
No, ma'am, because I'm afraid the dog. Because
It's
the
okay.
dog hit me.
Okay.
Bite.
So, are you okay? Do you know how to speak Malay or Mandarin?
No, ma'am, no.
No. So you have a 2 years contract and you need to finish it. It's not 1 month, it's not 1 week, it's not 1 year. Okay? You need to finish your 2 years contract. Otherwise, you have a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency.
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. You are the one who decided because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, to give them a better future, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So you need to endure the pain, you need to endure homesickness, you need to strive harder for them to achieve your goals in life, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you okay to take are you aware in usage of mobile handphone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working, but rather than you can hold it during nighttime only, like 2 to 3 hours, to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. Do you agree?
Agree, ma'am.
Okay, on your rest day also, you cannot go out during your rest day. You could have it during like rest day in your employer's house. But if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Do you agree?
Agree, ma'am.
So how will you gonna fight your homesickness knowing that you have three children? So I know homesickness will strike us anytime, will strike you anytime because this is will be your second time round because last time you worked for 1 month only. So you have a 2 years contract. So how will you gonna fight your homesickness?
I can fight my homesickness to focus myself in work. Then I always bear in my mind that I come here in Malaysia for the future of my children. And also I'm comforting myself.
Okay, so I just wanted to clarify it from you the reality of working here abroad or in any other countries. We are not playing here. This is not that you wanted to come and then you just wanted to go back. No such a thing, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now, but all you need to do is just respect and follow the rules and regulations of the employer because you're working inside their premises, okay?
Okay,
If
ma'am.
any problem, or if you have any concerns, you directly inform employer. If employer didn't hear you out, you let us know in here in the agency, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.
Mm-mm.